Hi, I'm Stephen Wener, and I've been in residential real estate since 1993, and I've had to rebuild my business. Initially, I started in Canada in 93, and then I moved to the United States in 2008, and I moved through, well, a big depression. So when I started in 93, I also started in a recession. And what I want you to understand is there's some fundamental ways to grow a business, but what I find is there's a lot of people that don't necessarily know how to grow a business, and it's not the market. So what are the things that you're doing and what are the things that are holding you back? I find a lot of growth happens once we get past limiting beliefs. But in order to get past limiting beliefs, you also have to be in the right environment and trust the people around you to help you see where you're getting caught. Kind of like a skipping record, right? When it hits something, it goes back. It never progresses. You never finish the album, which means you don't hear it all. And that's what happens mostly in residential careers. We start to do okay, we plateau, that could be 5 to 12 deals a year, and you don't necessarily know what to do, where to go, how to grow, what to fix, or whose fault is it? So I wanted to share a few things that make life very, very simple, and it starts with a morning routine, and the second one is actually using your calendar. In our office, one of the biggest things that we do is we role play. We role play different scenarios. Monday, Wednesday, Friday used to be buyer calls. Tuesday, Thursday were seller scenarios, objections, objection handling, and just learning how to have a real conversation in a way that they're not just making it up on these role play calls. What will you be dealing with? So just getting a flow of getting past the unknown, is critical. But having that built into your schedule and going through the uncomfortable process of learning those things and not being afraid to take feedback from your peers, because most agents are willing to actually blow a call with a prospect because there's no judgment, then feel like there's judgment going through these role play calls with your peers. That's number one. Get past your mindset. Open up and expand to what is real, what is believable, what will drive you forward. And when you have peers and mentors, I've sold well over 1,000 properties. It's like a reflex at this point, but it had to get there. What was I doing? Where were my sabotage moments coming in? And it didn't really matter what the market was doing. Even in the peak of COVID in 2020, I believe in the month of November, I did 12 transactions where you basically couldn't even get into a house. So it's not about what the market's doing, it's about what you're doing. And if you want to surround yourself in the right environment, understanding the right steps, demystifying the process, working on your mindset, your limiting beliefs, practicing things that are not only relevant, but critical to your success, that's what we offer. So if you want to go from 5 to 12, to 20 to 50 deals a year, reach out to me, because it's not a mystery. It's actually just following a roadmap and working that roadmap with people that will guide you through it and will be there for you when you want to be the record that skips again. Because sometimes we don't always want ourselves to succeed back to here. And we work on all of that. I look forward to hearing from you to help you get from here wherever you want to in your future.